What's up, you guys? It's Chile. Thanks again for joining me for another video. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick and easy vegetable stir fry. Really just going to need some vegetables, a little oil, soy sauce, and cornstarch. Maybe some seasonings. Did I say that? Okay. Well, let's go ahead and get started. And real quick before we start, if somebody wants to explain what umami is to me, like the flavor, that'd be great, because I've been having the biggest argument ever with one of my friends about it, because I just don't know how to describe the flavor. And a lot of what we're cooking with today apparently is, like, mushrooms are umami, and then I think soy sauce is supposed to be too, and who knows what else. First, we're heating about 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan, medium heat, and then I'm throwing in my first round of veggies. So mushrooms and carrots are going to be first, because they take the longest to cook all the way through. So I'm kind of just making sure I stir everything in really well and coating it in the oil. And then everything's just going to kind of sit there for the next 3 to 5 minutes and just let them soften up a bit before we add our next round of veggies. And again, I'm trying a different format for this video, so I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments, or if you want me to try something else, you can let me know that too. After they're done cooking, the next vegetable I'm going to add are water chestnuts. If you've never used them before, they come in a can. They're little white discs that are like pre-cut. The best way I can describe them is like the texture of kind of a potato, I guess, but like half cooked. And then broccoli is also going to go in now, because both of these cook very fast. And the only reason I took out some of the broccoli was because I was running out of space in my pot and my pan, whatever the heck it is. The thing. And then again, mix everything up so the oil kind of coats everything really well. So while we let them cook, you want to add just a little bit of water to help them cook better. And it's time to add some seasoning. So I'm using garlic salt, pepper, and salt. Again, if you want to try like red pepper flakes, things like that, you totally can. And experiment with other veggies too. Now that the seasonings are in, go ahead and give it another stir, mix everything up, get the oil everywhere. And then we're going to let it cook for just another couple minutes, not too long. The next thing you're going to add after is like kind of a sauce. So I just mixed probably like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and then like a teaspoon of cornstarch in a cup, and that's what I poured in. Doesn't give it a whole lot of extra flavor, but just to kind of give it some substance and make it a little liquidy. And then again, I'm just stirring it all in. The cornstarch is going to be what helps thicken it. And just let it sit for those next 2 minutes. As always, thank you so much for coming. Hope yours turned out just as good as mine. Go ahead and give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone you think would benefit. And see you next time.